Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look right here. It's a neutral half-cut crease with like yellow blush and a crop ton of highlight. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So I already did my skin and my brows and I primed my lids. So I'm just going to go right in with this. I thought it was yellow, but it's called Creamsicle, so I guess it's like orangey yellow shade, and I'm just gonna put that all over the crease. We're bringing you guys in a little more. So next I'm gonna grab this shade right here. It's called, I don't know. Yeah, it's called Hunts. The names are all weird on the back, but it's kind of just like a reddish type color, and I'm going to use that to deepen the crease. After that, I'm going to go in with, what did I use? Just a darker brown. Yeah, I'm just going to go in with the darker brown and deepen it. And this is just going to go like right on the outer and then right like where I'm going to cut it. Once you're done with all the blending and you like how everything looks, we're going to cut the crease, and I'm using MAC Pro Longwear and another just like naked brush. This is the hard part. I'm not gonna breathe, so and then this part on the end, I honestly feel like it's just best to go in with your finger to get like the best blend. Okay, so once you have the creases cut, you're just gonna go back in with the yellow orangey shade, and we're just gonna pack that in. Once you have the yellow packed all up in where you just cut the crease, we're going to go back with the darker, not the darkest color we used, but the second darkest color we used, and then we're going to put it right in the, I didn't think it would be that pigmented, right in between so that they kind of blend together. And for this part, we're just going to switch back and forth between those two colors so that it's like seamlessly blended together, not so obvious. And then once you do that, we're just going in again with the brown, the darkest brown. Now I'm going to do the under eye. One of my favorite parts about makeup is doing the under eye. Just like smoking out the bottom lash line. I think it like really ties the whole look in together. And I love when things are just like super smoky. After that, I'm going to go back with the yellow and then smooth the edges. So I did mascara and lashes. These aren't the lashes that I wore in my picture because we went out to dinner and they were uncomfortable, so I ripped them off and put them in my pocket, and now they're gone. Now this is like my favorite part. I'm going back in with the orange, like yellow shade on, this is a Morphe brush, and I'm going to use it as blush. MAC strobe cream, Makeup Forever Starlet powder, always, and Trophy Wife. And then first I'm going to go in with Trophy Wife. I'm not tan enough just yet to wear this on its own, so that's why I put the Starlet powder over top. This is going to go like kind of a little bit lower, so kind of right above where the blush is, but not quite at the highest point. If I could have one wish, it would be to change this packaging, because I kind of spilled it all over the place, so now I have to open it upside down, and then it spills everywhere every single time. Does my setup look so ratchet? I know it's just a wrinkly sheet, but I literally had to fold it into my closet, and because I lofted my bed. I lofted my bed so that I could film under there, but I didn't realize it would be so dark. So I felt like my eyebrow video, I got a ring light, but it just makes me look so bad. Maybe it's just me, but I don't know. I'm gonna go in with the Starlet powder, which honestly kind of covers it, but you can still get the little glitter underneath. But anyways, yeah. So I don't know, my filming situation is still just kind of up in the air. I don't really know what I'm going to be doing. I'm moving out of the dorms, thank God, next week. So I'm going to be home in my house. So maybe it'll be easier to figure out there, because I literally live in this tiny little hole. And then same thing for the nose. Do you guys think people can wear too much highlight? This is looking like too much highlight on my thing, but personally I don't think that exists. I would never let anyone tell me I'm wearing too much highlight. Now I'm gonna go in with my lips, and I'm gonna use Taupe by MAC on the outside and Dose of Colors, More Creamer Please. I want to go in with the yellow blush a little bit more, because I feel like after the highlight, it kind of almost disappears. And I want it to be there. So that's it for this neutral half-cut crease yellow blush look. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, and let me know what you guys want next, and I will see you in my next video.